This is a 2016 ILX Acura, and it just won't start. We had cut the positive battery terminal right here. I don't know if that's what's causing it, but if you look at what's going on right here, every time we go to the ground, if you look at the ground, it's blinking on and off as if there's something going on with the ground. Whenever you press the start button, there's no tip voltage there. See the resistance, right? And this is, I think, starter cutoff relay 2 right here. This is the number 2 right here. All right. So, and if you check the other one does have tip voltage right here. It has the battery voltage, but I believe something's going on with the ground wires. If you look right here, this is the ground. This is the other ground. All right. Whenever you press the start button, go and press the start button real quick. I just want to show them what happens when you press the start button. See, the voltage just go up a little bit when you press the start button. But yeah, we're testing this with the power probe. I think it has something to do with the ground. All right. Let me know what you guys think.